Hi, I'm Governor D.V. Sabellano. Do you want to see a place where the old blends with the new? That's just one of the stops of the Ilocos Total Vacation Package. Ilocos is so rich in cultural heritage and living treasures, which we are now preserving and reviving. President Elpidio Quirino is from this town, Kawayan, which is also famous for its hand-woven fabric called aben. One of the traditional craft here in Vigan is the jar making called Burnay. Your stop in Vigan is not complete without tasting the famous empanada. This is the town of San Vicente. It is famous for its woodcraft, especially its beautifully carved furnitures. The best garlic in the Philippines is found here in the town of Sinaid, which is considered the garlic center of the north. The squash is rich in beta-carotene. It's good for the eyesight. Here in Santo Domingo, they make squash noodles. Let's go healthy! This is the traditional way of extracting sugarcane juice. Here in Santa Maria, they're famous for their sugarcane products. They have the sugarcane vinegar and the sugarcane candy. Cabugao is also known for its ethnic design bamboo craft. The beach of San Esteban is just one of the beautiful beaches here in Ilocos. Whether you believe in miracles or just looking for beautiful sceneries, architectural wonders, and incredible history, I'll make you believe that you don't need to go anywhere else than here in Ilocos Sur. So, what are you waiting for? Experience a total vacation package here in Ilocos Sur.